crochet master.
Right, yes, welcome. My name is Maurice, the crochet master. And yes, please just know I work at Hair by Clippers with Z, Hair by Clippers with Z. And we are located in Intinda, Ministers Village, alongside Chambogo Road on Sunato Road. And to those ones who would want to get our services, you can always come at Hair by Clippers. And still we have a branch in Barrow City, that is Kamkuzi, behind BAM petrol station. You can also come to that place and also get our services. Yes, as usual, when it comes to natural hair, this is my best thing, and I always do it with my whole heart. And I've tried to teach my colleagues on how to handle it very well, and I hope they also still can achieve all these hairstyles that I always create by myself. So this time around, we are going to do something that is very, very interesting, and I'm just going to be very quick so that we can see how it is going to come out. And not forgetting that our online courses are started already, so you can join us and go learn online, those ones who are very far. And yes, we started with the inwards, outwards, updo, the cornrows and the pencil hairstyle, and you all know that that is the beginning of hairdressing. So if you know how to do cornrows, that is going to be very perfect for you. So that course is already there. And then this hairstyle that can never go wrong and is always loved, it has been there ever since up to now, and those are the extended dreadlocks. The course is also there, and everything on how to do it, the things we use and the steps, very detailed, so you can go right and start learning online. And yes, I will just keep on adding more courses because we just have to I need to always get reviews from you guys, and then we keep on doing that. Natural hair maintenance is also available, so please go join us online and we start learning. The link is in the link is there already in the description, hairbyclippersinstitute.com. so you just go right there and start learning online. So as we're continuing with this hairstyle, I'd say that I'm going to be somehow very speedy for you to see how it looks, and the things I'm going to use, because this is what I always get from you. People keep on asking the questions. So for the curls for the hair extension that we're going to use this time around, we're using the jumpy braids. And yes, if you have the Havana curls also, it can still work, but the jumpy braids are also very perfect, is what we are using. And now as I'm doing it, you can see how it looks. So we start doing the crochet. So we're going to crochet the whole head and we see how to trim. Trust me, you're going to love this hairstyle.
It's so good. Yeah. We got the touch of a crochet master. Oh no. Got those around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking. Yeah. Oh, you get the one boy I call. Maurice, the crochet master, did a make on you. Yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice, body fine like wine. You look so good, so good. Morris the crochet master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto waza, beauty na chichayo. Engeri jonyo me, okwana nembaka. You look so good, nobody do it like Morris. Yeah, nobody do it like Morris, yeah. The crochet master. Nobody do it like Morris, yeah. Oh, no, 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 no. Nobody do it like Morris. The crochet master. Crochet master. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah. No, no. Morris got the touch of a crochet master. No, no, no. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah, yeah. A touch of a crochet master. Morris. Yeah, yeah. He got the touch of a crochet master. Crochet master. Morris. The crochet master. Morris. The crochet master. Crochet master. No, no, no. Touch of a crochet master. He's so good. Yeah. Yeah. No, no, no. Easy life and not what's a coochie gonza. MDC here all bubu yaze coochie gonza.
All right, so like everything, when it is done, we just have to get our mousse hairspray, as when you confirm your trimming is perfect. So we just have to get our mousse. This is hair mousse, and yes, I'm using the olive oil, but there are many, so you can use any that you feel like. Those are the most, they are very, very, this is vital, yes. So you can use any, even if it's for olive oil, it is also very perfect. So there are a lot. So those ones who always ask the same question about this white, they call them what are those white thing that you're adding the hair? So it is the hair mousse, and it helps to maintain the curls. It makes it to stay for long, the hair, the curls. It makes it firm. So as you can see, this is how it looks, and how amazing this hair is. Simple and very natural. So to those ones who can see, them even may think it is her own hair as you're going to be seeing. But please, as you're subscribing, don't forget to like the video. Tell me where you're watching me from. I always be there to answer you. Yes, you can tell me where you're watching the video from. And don't forget to leave me a like. Yes, I love that. So please join our online courses, and I'm the instructor, remember. So if you have been seeing my YouTubes, so just know when we come to the learning detailed thing, I always have to make sure that you learn. So those courses are already there. You just go just go and click on that link, that www.hairbyclippersinstitute.com. It will take you through. Click on the courses, and then you see them all. Choose which one you'd want to start learning. But mostly when you want to learn hairdressing, we need to first with the cornrow. And if you know the cornrows, yes, there is the natural hair maintenance, how to style, how to wash it, how to keep it very, very neat. And then the extended dreadlocks, on how to do it, how to unlock it, combing out, maintaining, repairing. It is all in the courses. So please come and join so that we can learn together. And I hope the courses are going to be very, very perfect for you, and then you will have to be a pro like me. For now, I'm gonna be signing out. My name is Maurice, the crochet master, and I work at Hair by Clippers, both in Kampala City and in Barara City. Bye bye. May God bless you all.
Over straight hair, yeah. This one for you, is it come for you, yeah. This one for you, is it come for you, yeah. MDC, easy come. MDC, easy come. MDC, this one for you, is it come for you, yeah.